In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infographic in Canva. We'll start right from the Canva homepage to keep things simple. First, look for the search bar at the top. To narrow things down quickly, click on Templates so you're browsing designs that are ready to customize. In the search field, type infographic. If you already have a topic in mind, try something specific like food infographic or science infographic to get more tailored results. Right under the search bar, you'll see helpful filters such as category and style. Open Category to choose a canvas size that suits where your infographic will live, whether that's a standard vertical infographic or another format. Then, open the Style filter to select an overall vibe, like modern, minimalist, or something more playful. These filters help you zero in on a layout and look that match your message. Browse the results and pick any preset template that has a structure you like. Once you find one, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now it's time to make it yours. Click on any headline or text box to edit the wording. Rename the title to match your topic and replace placeholder text with your own concise points. Keep sentences short and scannable so your infographic is easy to read at a glance. If you want to refresh the design or colors, go to the Design panel on the left and select Styles. Click See All to expand your options. Choose a color palette that fits your brand or theme. Each palette also comes with font pairings, so when you apply it, your colors and typography update together for a cohesive look. This is a quick way to ensure consistent hierarchy and visual rhythm across the page. From here, tweak the visuals. You can change individual elements, move them around, or delete anything that doesn't serve your story. Select an icon, shape, or graphic and remove it, or swap it for something more relevant. As you adjust, keep a few design principles in mind. Maintain strong contrast between text and background, align elements cleanly, and leave enough white space so the content feels organized rather than crowded. That's it. Starting with a focused search, refining by category and style, selecting a template, customizing your text, applying a coordinated color and font style, and then editing or removing elements as needed. Follow these steps, and you'll have a clear, polished infographic ready to share.